Hello everyone, welcome to Love Max. We are going to see it's a 8th standard construction of quadrilateral exercise 7.1. Is a quarter we are going to construct now quadrilateral ABCD. All the measurements are given. The first thing you should write the measurement one by one. Then you have to draw the rough diagram of the given. Then only you can get some idea. Okay, you have to draw one rough diagram. How to draw means it is a quadrilateral. It is a four-sided figure. You can draw any quadrilateral with the four side. Okay. So I am going to draw one quadrilateral with the four sides. Okay. I will used to give the name as they only given A, B, C, D. Mark all the measurements. AB is how much? 4.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5 centimeter and CD is 4 centimeter. Then AD is 6 centimeter. AC one diagonal is given, that is 7 centimeter. This sum you can draw many ways. You can take any side as a base, and even you can take diagonal as a base. You can start anything. I am going to draw diagonal as a base because it is easy to construct. If you take AC as a base, this side on triangle, this side on triangle. So our construction is over. We are very familiar to draw a triangle. That's why. So I first plan to AC as a base. Okay. So AC how many centimeter? AC is 8 centimeter. Sorry, AC is 7 centimeter. So draw one's exact 7 centimeter line segment is named as AC 7 centimeter. Okay, so this AC is over. Now A to B 4.5 centimeter. So using compass, take exact 4.5 measurement and cut one arc from A. Okay. So from A side take 4.5 centimeter. I just cut one arc. Then C to B is 5.5 centimeter. So C to B is 5.5 centimeter. So again using compass. So I am take 5.5 centimeter measurement from C to. Okay. Now this both are intersecting point is B. So join AB and BC. I joined. So now partial of our diagram is over. So this side over till remaining this side is there. So A to D how many centimeter? It's 6 centimeter. So using compass take the measurement of 6 centimeter. From A to, okay, from A I am going to cut to an arc 6 centimeter. Next C to D is a 4 centimeter. So C to D using compass again I am taking 4 centimeter measurement. Then my pointer I should keep on C. So I cut the arc. Now this both intersecting point will be D. Now join AD and CD. A. So this is our required quadrilateral. We just mark. So A to B is 4.5 centimeter. Then B to C is 5.5 centimeter. Then A to D 6 centimeter. Then B to C. D to C is a 4 centimeter. So this is our required quadrilateral. Understand? Next one we are going to construct on rhombus BE and D. They given two diagonal only. So if we have only two diagonal, how to construct rhombus means of course we are going to construct. So as a rough diagram. So here we are going to know about at least little bit condition of rhombus. So rhombus means what? The diagonal bisect each other. That means it is both diagonal are exactly divided into half parts. So both are bisecting. So we are going to draw any two diagonals, a bisector. So join this four side. That's all. That only we are doing now also. So mark the measurement. This is I am taking BN, this is I am taking DE. So 6.5 centimeter, this is 5.6 centimeter. This only we are going to do now. So first the base I am taking DE, that is 6.5 centimeter. So 6.5 centimeter, one line segment, that is BDE. 6.5 centimeter. Next we are going to draw diagonal bisect, because that is both are perpendicular. So how to draw a perpendicular bisector? Draw more than half. Okay, in this line take more than half, then cut one arc even this side too. Next keep this side, cut one arc. Now join the lines now. Okay, now join the line. So this is now perpendicular bisector. So next to perpendicular bisector length is 5.6. So this side little bit comes, this side little bit come. It is exactly divided into half. This side equal, this side equal. So 5.6 divided by 2 is how much? 2.8. So both side it comes 2.8 centimeter. So keep on the compass, take the measurement of exactly 2.8 taken from this intersecting point center. Okay, cut this side one arc, even this side too. Okay, now this intersecting point is there, you know. So this is comes B, this is N. Okay, so now join this intersecting points. Is this our required rhombus? I hope you are understand, children. Practice more sum. Thank you.